So how to calculate XIRR? This is the question. This is the cash flow in which the minus sign indicates that you are giving money to the account. And the positive sign, without any sign, it means you are taking the money out. So suppose on 1st of June 2024, you have given 1 lakh rupees to the trading account. And in the January 2025, you are getting 1,50,000 rupees. And in the middle, you are giving nothing. So what is your income? So is equal to put XIRR bracket, then select the cash flow first, then put a comma, then select the dates, then select the dates, then multiply it by 100. So this is your return. Now suppose you are giving 10,000 rupees here also. So XIRR will change. It will become, or now suppose you are giving 10,000 rupees here also. So your XIRR value will change accordingly.